Hi children, welcome to maths class. In the last class we learned Roman number 4, that is the number forward. See, addition of forward numbers. See, jumping forward numbers here. Now Roman number 5, it is a backward number. See, given examples in this way: 200, see 199, 196, 194. See, it is jumping backward direction. See, it is jumping backward direction in this way. Okay, so all these examples are backward directions only. So this, see, 300, 295. What is the difference between 300 and 295? It is difference of 5. So go on subtracting the given number to 5. So 295 minus 5 is 290. So again 290 minus 5 is like that, in this way. Same way you are go on subtracting 555 number. Okay, next. 500 minus 450 is difference is 50. So go on subtracting 50. So difference is 50, children. So 450 minus 50 is 400. And 400 minus 50 is 350. 350 minus 50 is 300. 300 minus 50 is 250. See, I have explained so many examples for you all how to do this step backward and forward steps. Okay, in the same way all go on. First take the difference of first two numbers, then find the how much the difference, then take the difference, then start going on subtracting the number to the given number. Okay, see, this number is 400, then subtract again, then subtract, then subtract. So you will get the final answer. Okay, children. So here 800 minus 790. So difference is 10. So go on subtracting 10 to the given number. So first given number is 790. 790 minus 10 is 780. 780 minus 10 is 770. See, go on backward. See, backward. This way, backward. Okay. Next. 990 minus 970. Its difference is minus 20. See, 990 minus 970, the difference is 20. Okay, so go on subtracting the 20 here. 970 minus 20 is 950. 950 minus 20 is 930. Then 910, 890, 870, 850. Okay, children, it's very easy. You all try it. Okay, then take this as a homework. A and E are examples of homework. Okay, next we'll move to the next topic. So what is their next topic here? This is the biggest number. See, they are asking biggest number. Which animal has the biggest number? See, so many animals are there here and they are asking which is the biggest number. Which animal has the biggest number? We will see. Who has the biggest number? See, they are discussing among themselves. Who is having the biggest number? Rabbit came and told, I have the bigger number than you. See, rabbit first came and told, I have the bigger number. At the same time, rat came running and told, my number is bigger, your number is smaller. Then the elephant, the deer and rabbit agreed with the rat. All the four animals went to the fox. See, all the four animals, they went to the fox and fox listened to their problem. See, all the four animals went to fox and told about the problem. The fox listened to their problem and decided that elephant has the smallest number and the rat has the biggest number. See, children, elephant is having the smallest number, whereas the rat is having the biggest number. So do you agree this one? Correct, na? See, always we should compare the number to the hundreds here. See, 4 is a bigger number than 1. So this is a rat is having a 475 is the biggest number, whereas the elephant is the smallest number. Do you agree with the judgment given by fox? Then think and answer the following. Yes, we'll answer. Number on the elephant is 157. On the deer is 263. So the biggest among the elephant and the deer, which is the biggest number here? So biggest number is 263. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Number on the deer is 263. Number on the rabbit is 325. They are asking the smallest number. Which is the smallest number here? So compare with the 100 number. 263, 325. Which is the smallest here? So 3 comes before 2. So 2 is the smallest number here. So 263 is the smallest number. Okay. Next, the number on the rabbit is, where is the rabbit? 325. And the number on the rat is 475. Which is the biggest number here? See, 3 and here is the 4. So 4 comes after 3. Okay, 3 after is 4. So which is the biggest number here? So 4 is the biggest number. So 475 is the answer. Yes, children. Next, the biggest number between deer and the rat. See, here is the deer and here is the rat. So biggest number. See, which is the biggest number here? Always comparing the biggest number from hundreds place. Okay, here hundreds place, which number it is? 2. And here hundreds place, which number it is? 4. So which is the biggest number here? 4 comes after 2. 2, 3, then 4. So biggest number is 475. See, the biggest number is 475. Fifth question. The smallest number between elephant and the rabbit. See, smallest number between elephant and the rabbit. See, elephant is holding 157 and rabbit is holding 325. So which is the smallest number? Always compare the comparison always comes from the hundreds place. So which is the smallest number here? 3 or 1? So 1 comes before 3. See, back of 3 is 2. 2 before is 1. So smallest number is 157. Okay, children, it's very easy. Okay, same in the same way you all take it as a homework. 6, 7, 8 as a homework. Okay. Observe and understand. Are you able to answer the above questions? If not, learn to identify the small and big numbers with the following examples. Okay, children? Next. See, in the same way how we have taken the number, here also in the same way they have placed the animals and they have given the number same way. Okay, write the numbers written on the elephant, the deer, the rabbit and the rat in the place value table. See, we have to write in the place value table. Rabbit given number is 325. See, 320 tens place and unit is 5. So rabbit is 325. Whereas the rat is 475, elephant 157 and the deer is 263. So compare the numbers. See, we have to compare the numbers. See, first always comparison number comes from the hundreds place. So which is the biggest number among all these? See, 3, 4, 1, 2. See, 1, 2, 3. Next number is 4. So which is the biggest number is 4. And the smallest number is 1. Okay. Therefore, among this rabbit, rat, elephant, deer, the greatest number, which animal is having the greatest number here? Greatest, biggest number. Which animal was having the greatest number here? See, among these 4, rat was having the biggest number. Elephant was having the smallest number. Okay. In the same way, observe the numbers written on the flags below. See, this is the flag. On the flag, they have given the numbers. See, all hundreds place are same here. See, 5, 5, 5, 5. See, 5, 5, 5, 5. Change in the tens place. So, if it is hundreds place are same, then go to the tens place always. Compare the number first from the hundreds place next to the tens place. See, now here 100 place are same. So, now we will move to the tens place. So, in the tens place, which number is bigger here? See, 6, 2, 4, 9, 7. So, 9 is the biggest number. Smallest number is 2. So, which number is the biggest among this one? 560, 524, 548, 599, 571. So, which is the biggest number here? 591 is the biggest number and 524 is the smallest number. See, numbers in place value 100 are same. Therefore, compare among 6, 2, 4, 9, 7 in tens place. So, among these, the biggest number is 9 and the smallest number is 2. So, among 560, 524, 548, 599, 571, the greatest number is 599 and the smallest number is C, 524. See, all hundreds place are same. So compared to the tens place. See, tens place. So smallest number is 524. Okay, children. See, in the same way, you take third one as a homework. Observe. See, observe the number written on the leaves and compare the same thing. See, the same way you all do it. Okay. In the next class, I will take the next topic. Okay, children. Take care. Bye bye.